Hiya everybody! So I arrived home from a movie night and I just found this box down in the reception, so I was so excited to open it. This is the Birchbox and I haven't actually looked through it yet. I really like the design of this box. And it looks like it's filled with products. And then they have this little thing and it says be present, not perfect. March 2018. So I'm just gonna look on these things and I'm gonna tell you each individual product what is it. So first we have the black peel off mask. It doesn't say that it's full size or not, and this is a mask for stressed out skin. I think I had to choose between two masks and I choose this one for stressed out skin because, you know, I'm a student and everything, so I really could use it, but it's such a small container. And yeah, I don't know this brand. It's called just black. The next product is Benefit Bad Gal Bang. So it's their mascara. I'm familiar with this one. It's obviously a small size. And they actually give you testers like this in Sephora. At least they used to give to me for like the roller lash. I have like lots of them. Tricky to open. But I never tried Bad Gal. And yeah, this is the Bang. I don't know about this mascara. I don't watch that many makeup videos nowadays. So yeah, I think this is new, but it's pretty good. I always can use a new mascara. And the mask was £14, but I don't think that for the small tube. And this mascara is £21.50 for the full size. Obviously this is a sample size, but it's like damn expensive. And then we have this product, I guess, which is in this little bag. Says it's a full-size Birchbox exclusive and it's a Mascara Cosmetics Radiant Split Pen. So it's a bronzer and a highlighter duo. Oh, I love bronzers and highlighters. So it's Mascara. I don't know if you know this brand. Never heard of it, and it's just says bronzer and highlighter. It doesn't say the shade. So this is the way it looks up close. My camera is not very good on the lighting, so it's basically just a shimmery bronzer, and then it kind of I don't know, creamy highlighter. They seem pigmented. Yeah, they are quite pigmented. This bronzer is kind of like reddish, so it looks more like an eyeshadow rather than a I mean, I don't like bronzers that are like warm tone. I use the Too Faced ones, the Chocolate Soleil ones, and they are not really they are not like, this looks kind of bronze to me. And it's full size and it's £17 for this product. I would never pay £17 for such a thing. And then we have, it's pretty cute. As a heads up, this product it's a little fragile, so you can email them if it arrived broken to you. So that's great, Birchbox. Thank you very much for that. And then we have a Sebamed, which is a clear face antibacterial cleansing foam. This sounds pretty good. Retail price it's £8. I'm not sure if for the whole bottle or not. So this is supposed to be great for breakouts and tired skin, and it's a foam, which I love to wash my face with foam. And yeah, it looks pretty decent. It says pH 5.5 for impure and acne prone skin. So I guess this is a product that doesn't come in the boxes of everybody. My face is not super oily, it's like mixed skin, but I guess that I did say that I have problem with acne because I do have like little breakouts, so I would definitely use this, and this is actually a decent size. And then the last, but certainly not the least, it's another Spectrum. I think I have the last brush that I received from them was Spectrum as well, but this one is kind of more beautiful. I mean, the other one was pretty nice too. So it has this rose gold like thing here, and then the handle is white. It's really beautiful, and they say it's a Tulip eye contour brush. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I could see this working. I guess I could actually, this seems more useful than the other one. And this is £5, which is not bad for a brush. I mean, I haven't actually used the other one, the first one that I got. This is the first one that I got, and it's, yeah, it's from the Spectrum as well. They kind of look similar, but this is a bit thicker, and it's like with a wide handle. And this is a blending brush, and I always use blending brushes, so that's great. This is more like a tapered brush. So yeah, it's always great to have another brush. I actually need to wash them and then I will start using them. So like a small review in my opinion. So the mask could be pretty useful. It's a pretty decent size. It's not like in a envelope, like it's not like a just one-time use. The mascara is always useful and I can try it, and maybe if I like it I can go ahead and buy it. And these mascaras actually last for quite a long time. Like you can definitely use this for like 2 months. At least I do that, and it works. I'm not really excited by this product because I just have my contour and my highlighters, which I love, and this, I don't think that I would actually like this, so I might give it away to somebody. The face cleanser, it's pretty good. I will probably use this because I love switching up a little bit. I mean, I have my basic ones which I always use, but I can always like try a new product and I might fall in love with it, who knows. And then a brush, I just love brushes. Every time I see a brush I'm like happy. So this is definitely a great box. I think, yeah, it's one of the best too. Like I said that about the last one, but I really love brushes. So when I get a brush, I'm just like, yes, thank you very much. And I will just make up the total for all the products. It's gonna be a bit difficult because only one is full size. So, oh no, 2 are full size. So I'm just gonna tell you that. So to me it seems like this box was £36, anyway around £30. I guess all the boxes are around that. I don't know for sure because I couldn't find the prices of the simple size. I either can find them or I just can't be bothered to search. Like I tried to search ones on their site, I couldn't find it. So that's okay, it should be around £30. I pay like £10 and £2 shipping, so £12, so it's way like a better deal, at least for me. And especially if you get products that you would actually use, it's great. So these products, mascara, mask, face washer and brush will sure get used. Like these ones will get like completely used up, and this I will have probably for a long time if the brush is actually good quality. And yeah, this one would just probably sit in my collection like many products sit, or I would give it to somebody, but to be honest I don't know who could rock this. I guess I could use this as an eyeshadow because this looks like an eyeshadow to me. Yeah, it does. It's like so creamy and so like warm tone that is really not good for your face, at least in my opinion. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I must say that I love this box and I always use them to store other stuff, which is great, and they're like artsy and beautiful, like great decorations for university room, so that's great. So thank you so much for watching, hope that you enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you next time. Goodbye.